Dear children, Macbeth visiting the witches the second time. Macbeth was restless. He knew his safety is questioned. Any moment enemies may come around him, and he wanted to make sure that he will not be harmed by anybody. Therefore, he went to the witches, the swamp place near the forest the second time. As he entered there, it was a horrible scene he could see there. The witches were boiling something in a big oven duchy, all kind of poisonous snakes, centipedes, scorpions, the skull of animals were boiling thing by the witches. And he told he had come to see the demons and the spirit. So, they allowed to meet the spirit. The first spirit told him, beware of Macduff, a noble man in Scotland. You have nothing to worry about your life, but be careful about Macduff. The first spirit told him. And the spirit, all the three spirits appeared before Macbeth in different forms. And the second spirit told him, Macbeth, you are unharmed. Nobody born woman can harm you. Hearing that statement by the second spirit, Macbeth was really happy. And now he's sure nobody can kill him. And the third spirit appeared in different forms and told Macbeth, until Birnam forest wood came to Dancing Castle, you will be safe. What did the third spirit say to Macbeth? Macbeth, until and unless the Birnam forest comes to your castle, Dancing Castle, you are safe. How could a forest will move? How could a forest will come to the palace? Impossible. Next impossible. Never heard in the history of the earth that a forest is moving. So now we understood he is unharmed by any creature in this world. And what did the first spirit say? Beware of Macduff. Children, remember, the first spirit said, this noble man who stood against the ascension of Macbeth to the throne. When Macbeth became the king of Scotland, he was deadly against Macbeth. He did not like at all to love with him, only him. Many others not like him that year. Macbeth becomes the king of Scotland. The second spirit said, anyone who is born of a woman cannot kill Macbeth. All we know, all we are born from our mother, woman. But how come? Is there somebody who is never born of a woman? That question remains in your mind. And answer only afterwards. The third spirit said, until Birnam forest comes to their Dancing Castle, and the forest moves towards the palace, you are safe. Nothing to be afraid of. My dear children, now when Macbeth went to meet the witches, it took some days, and all these days Lady Macbeth became very restless. She felt a guilt feeling in her mind and heart. It is not just Macbeth killed the king. It was her cunning plan. It was her idea to kill Duncan to become the Queen of Scotland. Therefore, all the stain of the blood is in her hand. Lady Macbeth could not be at peace. And she makes a beautiful dialogue. Even if the very costly perfumes we buy from the Arabian land and brings and uses on my hand, the smell of the innocent blood cannot be removed. This was thinking of Lady Macbeth now. All the costly perfumes bought from Arabian land cannot sweeten my hands because I have killed the innocent blood. See, this is what is our conscious mind says always. If we are at fault, whenever you do something wrong intentionally, whenever you hurt somebody purposely, that guilt feeling will be in our heart forever. That cannot be washed by any perfumes, any detergent, any soap in the world. That is the feeling of the Lady Macbeth now. Please take down some questions for the answer. What did Lady Macbeth feel in her heart and mind? Why did she say that all the costly perfumes brought from Arabian land cannot sweeten her hands? I shall repeat. Why did Lady Macbeth say all the costly perfumes bought from Arabian land cannot sweeten her hands? Second question. Why did Macbeth go to the witches to swamp place second time? And third question. What did the first spirit say to Macbeth? This question. What did the second spirit tell to Macbeth? And what the third spirit said to Macbeth?